Firebase, can we talk about that for just a second?
Oh yeah, we can talk about that.
I don't want to steal away from anybody else's time to talk about other things, but Firebase seems like a hot topic these days.
Yeah, Firebase. I just hold on. I'll post. Let me stop sharing the screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Firebase. That was just open source. The plugin was open source a few days ago. I'll post a link here in a second. Yeah, that was that does handles user sign in and it saves data to the user and can manage databases. Those are that's what I've been able to do with the REST API. Currently, Google does not want you to use the REST API to do analytics or anything like that. So that's basically what I've been able to manage to do with the REST API.
So is everybody here familiar with Firebase? I mean, at least in concept.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that.
Jason, your face is kind of like, it went all frowny face. Is that yes or no?
No. No. Vaguely familiar.
So essentially, it's got sort of this. Oh, maybe Scott, you can talk about it. You can tell us about it. You're the Firebase guy.
Okay. Well, it's basically I like to think of it as Google's version of Parse. Of course, theirs is more like. Let me think of it. Like they're focused. When you think of Firebase, it's more like it's first an analytics solution, and you also can store data. What is it? You can do device testing, and I think you can like host websites. You can upload data to it.
Well, it's kind of a real-time database sort of thing, right? I mean, it's a real-time cloud database.
Oh yeah, that's what you. That's what it is basically.
Yeah, I just the elevator version, right? It's a real-time cloud-based database.
Yeah, it does. They have lots of like built-in stuff though. Like they have push in there. What else? They have a lot of stuff in there. Unfortunately, a lot of that stuff does not have a REST API. Only like the real-time database stuff does. So that's what I've been able to do with the pure Lua version of it. I posted in the chat the link to the open source, like it's on the forum post.
Well, I follow. I'm subscribed to the Firebase YouTube channel, and those guys they put out some nice videos. I mean, they're short, and I think he's doing, the guy that does it is doing some green screen action. And anyway, it seems like Firebase is. People, everywhere I go, somebody's like, and integrating this with Firebase and integrating that with Firebase. And okay. So Firebase is popular. I think it's, I don't know if it's popular because it's, how good it is, or if it's popular because it's popular. It's the Paris Hilton of databases.
Yeah. Well, Parse is shutting down pretty soon, so I'm pretty sure that's the next ideal platform to go to.
Okay. Okay.
So
we'll have to play with that when it comes out too. Lots of stuff to play with. Okay, who wants to go?